How to actually stop wasting your life. Today we are talking about something you have already read in the title. Okay, so you're waking up in the morning, instead of getting fresh, you're opening social media with absolute headache and eyes straining because you actually don't know what to do. Why does this happen? Having no goal or purpose in life leads to procrastination, and you already know that we are wired to be outside, not cooped up in front of a screen comparing our lives to everyone else's highlights. And you know what I mean. No one actually posts their real life. They have problems in life. No one actually posts their original, so-called original life on social media. They just post their perfect life, their perfect photo, the photo in which they are perfect. What if you have a lot of different ideas and they are entangled and none of it really makes sense? The developers work hard to get you addicted to these apps. How about you become the developer? What I mean by this, you should become the guy who works, not the one who consumes. Now you understand why. I think craving towards the things you actually want to do, but these are in large quantity. The more things you want to do leads to cut down in focus. No matter how scary you might feel, will go a long way. How about you start waking up and forcing yourself not to use phone 40 minutes after waking up? Get ready, enjoy the breakfast, and it will eventually become a habit. Why don't you follow this for like 21 days? I'm not giving the same advice, I'm telling this everything by experience wise. I was the same way. I was feeling like a degenerate, waking up with absolute headache and opening Instagram, scrolling, checking DMs. Okay, so here is the thing. Stop binge watching all the OTT platforms. Just fully stop it. And limit your social media. That doesn't mean stare at your phone instead. Instead, try cutting back from virtuality and indulge into reality. We are wired to be outside. The more you spend your lives outside and enjoy the real dopamine, you will realize that this kind of satisfaction is actually better than wasting time. Alright, that doesn't mean you are just wandering around doing nothing while at the gym or while walking. How about you listen to podcasts and TED Talks from people who inspire you? Deep down, we are all quite similar and all far capable than we realize. It's about the ones who take action on the things they actually want to do. Social comparison is a notorious way of wasting time and your overall happiness. You could literally spend a lifetime worrying about others having the things you don't. There are some things some people are blessed with and some are not. And the some are not categorized people have to work to achieve those things. If you categorize yourself as the some are not people, you have to work to achieve those things. Just do it, bro.